Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to analyze seasonal usage of Fundbox. If your business experiences seasonal highs and lows, tracking how you use Fundbox during these times can help you to plan smarter and to borrow more efficiently year-round. Let's get into it. The first step is to export Fundbox draw history. So start by downloading your draw and repayments data from your Fundbox dashboard. To do that, go to your account, navigate to activity or transaction, and then export to Excel or CSV. This gives you a clear timeline of when and how much you borrowed throughout the year. Step 2 is to identify seasonal patterns. Use your exported data to look for patterns. Do you borrow more in Q4, or are there spikes before trade shows or annual events, or do draws increase when inventory runs low in summer or winter? Mark these peaks and link them to business events or seasonal sales cycle. Step 3 is to overlay with business metrics. Compare Fundbox usage against monthly revenues, customer order, and inventory turnover. Ask yourself, did borrowing lead to more sales? Were you borrowing during a revenue slump to stay afloat? This tells you whether Fundbox is fueling growth or just covering shortfalls. Step 4, plan future seasonal draws. Now that you know when you tend to borrow, you want to set reminders to draw earlier before peak seasons. Consider gradual repayments during off seasons to maintain liquidity. Use your insights to request a credit line increase ahead of time if needed. And step 5, monitor seasonal return on investments. If you're borrowing during specific seasons, use the return on investment calculator to evaluate seasonal draws, drop unproductive funding cycles, and double down on high return periods. Analyzing seasonal usage helps you to turn Fundbox from a reactionary lifeline into a predictive, proactive tool for growth. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.